Hello guys. The other day I was searching about my next video on the internet and came across an article related to JEE Mains in advance. I think the fourth attempt of JEE Mains is going to start from 26th of August, I guess. Hearing this word, the exam is going to start. I can sense there are a lot of students with a lot of things happening in their heads. So I decided to make a motivational like video on this topic. This surely brings back my memories of my JEE journey with a lot of feelings that include fear, angry, happiness, confidence, etc. Okay, leave that. I'm going off the topic. So in this video, I'll be talking about some tips and some motivational stuff related to this JEE mains. And one more thing is that I'm making this video very short, like for 3 or 4 minutes, so that your time will not be wasted. So there are some things which you need to consider before the day of exam. Like before the day of exam, make sure you have a proper sleep and don't even think of studying. Stay away from all the new topics. So whenever you remember that you didn't study a particular chapter, leave that. Don't study. Rather than that, try remembering your strengths, like the points that you're good at, the chapters that you're good at. And the second point is that keep all the items like Aadhaar card, admit card at a single place so that you won't face any difficulty on the day of exam. So, and the third point is that make sure you check your examination center beforehand, because there are many students who went to a wrong examination center and screwed up with it. So check your examination center beforehand. And the fourth point is that listen to music but not songs. Just listen to music. This is because when you listen to songs, they keep on appearing in your mind during the examination and have a negative effect on your exam. So just listen to music. The fifth point is that take a light food and don't eat heavy. Try meditating for 5 to 10 minutes as it helps in relieving stress. And coming to the sixth point, talk to your parents and spend some time with your family. Don't talk to your friends. And even if you talk to your friend, don't ask them about their preparation. This is because hearing about their preparation will make you feel that you didn't prepare well, and this will ruin your exam. Don't self doubt yourselves. Just believe in yourself and the effort that you put in these 2 or 3 years. And there are some points you need to consider on the day of exam. The first point is remember you reach the examination center at least 1 hour before the mentioned time. And the second point is make sure you take all the necessary documents that are required to the examination center. And the third point is make sure you have a light breakfast. And the fourth point is be confident, just believe in yourself and avoid negative thoughts. Be a positive minded. And the fifth point is that don't try to use strategies that you heard from YouTube, because these strategies vary from person to person. Just start the exam with the subject that you are strong in and make sure that you don't give too much time for a single question. The point number six is that it's not like you need to give 1 hour to each subject. You can divide time based on your wish in your way so that you can score more marks. The seventh point is that check every question before saving the question to make sure you have no silly mistakes. I think these things are more than enough, as all of you know what to do in the exam as you're writing this for the fourth time. Yeah, I don't know where to start. I know that all of you guys work really very hard, and the effort that you put makes your wish or desire come true. I believe that the energy you put in learning stuff in these 2 or 3 years will definitely return you in the form of success, as energy is neither created nor destroyed. Think about how your parents, friends, teachers feel once you got selected. That gives us positive vibes, right? Remember that this is the last attempt you're going to give and give your best shot. I believe in you guys. And one more thing I want to mention is that don't worry too much about your results and do not take any stupid decisions. This is not the thing which I should say now, but I need to say. If anything goes wrong, don't think that JEE is everything. JEE is not everything. So that's it. I hope you guys do well and receive the results that you guys desire. So let's meet in another video. Bye guys.